Hello boys and girls, today we're going to make a crevice tool to fix our Bentley Continental GT. We're going to need some egg boxes, some rolls of toilet roll, some plutonium B43, some fuzzy felt and some glue. But here's one I made earlier. Sorry about that, what can I say, I grew up watching Blue Peter. I always wanted to do that. So seriously, what we do need is a trip to the plumber's merchants or to a DIY shop, and you're going to need one of these. This is an 1.25 inch flexible waste pipe. There we go, it's got a male end one side, a female end at the other. That's important because that's what fits onto your vacuum cleaner nozzle. You're going to need a rubber 18mm reducer, so that's from 1.25 inch to 18mm pipe. We're going to be using 18mm pipe for this job. Going to need some elbows. Now I'm using elbows here. You'd be better off using swept elbows, which are in fact much less of a shock to the leaves and air that's going to be flying up there hopefully. And then you're going to need a length of overflow pipe. This is 18mm overflow pipe. I've already cut it for the purposes of this. You're going to need a 3-inch piece, a 6-inch piece and a 12-inch piece. You're going to need a junior hacksaw and a Stanley knife. Okay, so basically mark your pipe at the lengths that I've said, cut them, and when you've cut them you're going to need to deburr the ends of them. I've left one there that's been unburred, so we'll have a look at that. Just run the Stanley knife around very carefully with your fingers. These things are sharp, the sharper the better actually. And that's ready to insert into a socket. Now in normal use you would actually use adhesive to secure these sockets, but because the job we're using them for is suction rather than effort and energy going through them the other way that's going to blow them off, it's more useful to us to be able to turn these joints as we weave it into the location that we're going to be using it for. So 6-inch first, down into the 12-inch, that's going to get us down into the scuttle and through, then another elbow pointing that way, and this final pipe, the 3-inch pipe, you can probably see I've actually cut a slope on it. This is so that when it goes in at an angle it's got more chance of picking up on the surface. So we'll pop that on there, and that is essentially it. All you need to do now is take the waste pipe, the 1.25 inch flexi waste, insert the rubber into it. Needs a little bit of persuasion. Basically it. And then the 18mm pipe pushes onto that. Now this is your connection to your vacuum cleaner. So in operation it's going to look something like this. Put it onto your vacuum cleaner hose, simply unscrew that. There's a pressure ring and there's a rubber washer. That goes onto the chrome pipe of your Henry vacuum cleaner or whichever one you're using. Then the whole lot attaches onto there quite tightly. I actually use these for doing Saniflow systems and they're very reliable. And Bob's your uncle. Hope it works for you guys. Please hit me up in the comment section if you're struggling to find these parts in your area of the world, and I'll try and translate it into your language. Thanks for watching. All the best. Bye.